lovely people, welcome to my channel. My name is Naturally DC, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can use onion and coconut oil to grow your hair super faster. Yes, onion juice to grow your hair super faster. You know, onion contains sulfur, mineral oil, nutrients that helps in promoting the hair follicle, letting our hair to be stronger. I've been using this for years. Yes, I've been using it and it really works. So before we get into the video, if this is your first time watching my video, don't forget to subscribe and share to your friends, and also give me a thumbs up. So I'm going to need these 2 onions because my hair is quite a lot. It depends on your hair. Yes, you can choose 1 or 2, it depends. So I'm going to grate you can choose to blend it. By you blending it, you have to add water to it, of which it will be too much watery. So with this, I'm going ahead to grate my onion. It's so simple to do, no waste of time. You can do this without a blender. Alright guys, so as you can see, I'm done with blending my onion. Now I'm going to transfer it into this. So I'm going to need a funnel and a strainer. Yes, I'm going ahead to pour everything into it. You can use a spoon to press the juice out of the onion, or better still, you can use your hands, so far as your hands is clean, which will not lead to bringing any bacteria to your scalp. So you can squeeze it. As you can see, I'm squeezing. I've been using onion juice for quite a very long time, so I decided to share this method with you to try to grow your hair faster. Alright, now as you can see, this is the juice. Those were what I got. Yes, so I'm going ahead to add my avocado, or my coconut oil, just a few drops because my scalp is already oily with the previous products. So that's what we got. Shake it very well. Then let me show you how I'm going to. Okay guys, so that's my hair, the state of my hair right now. So what I'm going to do is, before I apply, tomorrow is my wash day, so before my wash day I'm going to deep condition my hair. So I'm going to lose my twist. Actually, I'm going to wash my hair in twist, so I'm going to lose my twist like this. That's the first thing that have to come in your mind. Alright guys, so that's how my hair looks like without. It's having loose twist. This my hair right now. Yeah, so I'm going ahead with my onion juice. So I'm going to start from the back. Yes, I have to put something. Don't forget to put something to prevent the onion from dripping. So you focus on the scalp. So it's left with the front. Go ahead, you massage your scalp, not forgetting your edges. Yeah. So now, as you can see, I am done applying my onion juice. So I'm going ahead to cover it with a plastic bag. Yeah. You can use your nice bonnet or your nice scarf. So for me, I'm going ahead to cover it once more. I'm trying to squeeze all the air that is left in. And now I'm ready to go to bed. Yes. And in the morning, the longer it keeps in your hair, the better. Yes. If you're going somewhere and you forgot and you want to do this in the morning, you can just leave this on for 2 hours or 3 hours, depending on your schedule in the morning or your wash day. Then you rinse it off with a mild shampoo and afterwards a conditioner. Also, don't forget onion juice is also a conditioner. All right, now